Welcome to this short Lansweeper demo. Most IT teams we talk to share the same problem. Their environment is always changing, new devices are coming online, old ones leaving, cloud resource spinning up and down. And when somebody asks what's actually on the network right now, it can take days to get an answer together. And by that time, it's already out of date. That's the problem Lansweeper solves. One platform to give you a complete, continuously validated picture of every asset in your environment, whether it's IT, OT, IoT, or cloud. So your team can stop guessing and start acting on data you actually trust. Let me show you how it works. The first thing Lansweeper does when you get started is discover what's actually in your environment. You start by deploying a lightweight scanning sensor on your network, which can be on Windows, Linux, or Mac. Lansweeper's discovery gives you the option to choose between agent-based or agentless discovery, or even a mix of the two, whichever setup works best for your specific environment. Additionally, thanks to our passive discovery in the form of traffic sensor, we can automatically detect where you still have undiscovered devices or even detect devices that are too sensitive to scan directly. All of this is also additionally enriched by our device recognition to give you the best quality data even with minimal information. And last but not least, the coverage view shows you how well your current discovery actually lines up what's out there, helping you to achieve what matters, full visibility on your entire infrastructure. Seeing your full environment is just step one. What Lansweeper does next is where AI cyber asset intelligence comes in, automatically telling you what matters, what's changed, and what deserves your attention. Once your inventory is populated, the data is immediately usable. Lansweeper gives you fully customizable BI-powered dashboards built directly into the platform. You can even build custom calculations that draw from what Lansweeper discovers about your environment. This all to show you exactly the metrics your business cares about. Lifecycle gives you another lens on the same question. Lansweeper tracks end of life and the support dates for every hardware model and operating system in your inventory. You see what's aging out before it creates a coverage gap. No surprises at a renewal time and no scrambling when a vendor stops issuing patches. And to help IT know what good actually looks like, Lansweeper benchmarks your environment against thousands of others. You can see how your patch rates, vulnerability resolution, and coverage compares to organizations like yours, making a real difference when you're deciding where to prioritize. All of this intelligence is designed to do one thing: tell your team exactly where to focus, and that's where the platform goes next. Let's continue with active risk. Lansweeper maps vulnerability data directly to the assets in your environment. You can see exactly which CVEs affect which devices. With severity context, you can prioritize remediation without the manual cross-referencing. Thanks to our complete coverage, you can also see exactly how devices within your network are connected and where potential additional risk lies if infrastructure fails. Let's see how Lansweeper helps you act on what you find. Lansweeper connects to the tools your team already uses. Open the integrations marketplace and you'll see your ITSM, security, and cloud tools already there with certified integrations that feed asset context directly into the workflows you depend on. And with Flow Builder, you can go further. When something changes in your environment, a new device shows up or a machine falls out of compliance, Lansweeper can automatically start taking action. This can be an alert or a ticket in your ITSM, or even a deployment in Intune or any other product that allows for deployment. And when the next audit or board review comes, there's no scramble. You go to your dashboard or inventory, filter down to exactly what you need with your custom or derived fields already in place. And what you see in the platform is what you share. No lengthy configuration needed first. AI tools are only as good as the data underneath them, which is why we built LensChat directly into the platform. Open it from anywhere in the interface and ask it questions about the environment in plain language. Which assets are reaching end of life this quarter? which user accounts should have been deactivated by now, which assets are close to having no disk space left. You get answers from your live data, no manual digging needed. And for teams working with AI assistants like Claude or Copilot, the Lansweeper MCP server connects your asset intelligence directly to these tools. Your assistant can query your entire environment from wherever you already work. The same trusted data, no context switching. So that's Lansweeper at a high level, a complete picture of your environment, the intelligence to understand what matters, and a platform built to turn that knowledge into action. The best way is to see it in your own environment. So try it for free at lansweeper.com or book a personalized demo from the same page if you'd rather talk through your specific situation first.